ankle tip is an upper body exercise only. So the legs aren't going to do much other than stabilize. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the palms up from here and open out. So I'm going to scoop up, pull back, scoop up, pull back, scoop up, pull back, scoop up, pull back. So it's not a fresh exercise by any stretch of the imagination. So I'm sure lots of you have done this exercise, but let's talk about the technique, right? Because at the end of the day, you can have the best, coolest, newest exercise. If you can't communicate good technique, then they miss out on the benefits they can get from the exercise. So first I'm coming up with palms up, then I'm pulling back with the rear hand. So I'm pulling back with the back of the arm. So up, out, up, out. Now, when I pull up, my abdominals have to engage to keep my body upright. So you want to watch for this. And so it looks like they're getting into it, but they're actually missing out on the important abdominal stabilization work. So the body's got to stay up. Try not to get them to move very much. There's going to be a slight sway in the body, but there's no real big lean forwards to help pull the arms up. Alright, so it's pull, push, pull, push. I'm keeping my fingers together here for this. So fingers are together, up and out. Feels better. You can do it with your fingers wide, and that feels good too actually. That feels really good. I don't need to do this. Ooh, it's harder. It's way harder. So up to you. You're going to do your fingers together, make it easier, or fingers apart to make it more challenging. And if you're going to get people to do one of those two options, set the tempo. They don't go slower because they've opened their arms, fingers wider. They've got to go at the same speed. It's a great re-deltoid exercise. Yeah, you'll use your abdominals as you pull up to the front. Yeah, it's really nice. I like this a lot. And it's quite effective at just doing something that's just arm-centric if you're doing lots of stuff with cardio. And that's this week's Aqua tip. Stationary movement patterns where the instructor doesn't have to use their legs and just use their arms is super easy on land. The challenge is demonstrating and actually understanding what people are feeling in the water. So with this exercise where we're pushing up with the palms, then pulling out, scooping up and pulling back. Remember the key thing here is that you don't want them moving their bodies. So often in an effort to demonstrate effort, this is what we try and also do with our bodies. Try to limit that because they'll actually exaggerate that. That's one thing that they'll exaggerate. So remember how I'm talking about how you need to feel this, you'll feel stabilization, your abdominals have to work really hard to keep your body stable. So talk about what they should be feeling in their midsection, and they pull and pull back, so pull up and push back. And the way I cue it is like this. I say palms up, push back with the back of your hand, until you can feel your abdominals activating, and then you've got the right amount of intensity. There's a way to encourage people to just add a little bit more intensity. So I'll feel it here, once the arms are working hard now. So palm up, palm up. So I always talk about, I need to see the white of your hand all the time to avoid them turning their hand around. Not that there's anything wrong with that, it's just not this exercise, right? So pull up, pull back, push up, pull back, push up, pull back. So use your voice, use that sort of tension that you're holding in your body. Remember the hands are not spread apart, although you can with this, but I've got my fingers a little bit closer together with this type of action. And other than that, it's actually pretty easy to demonstrate. And that's this week's